A two, a one, two, three. I'm beyond the fridge. I'm beyond life. Let's have some Breyers ice cream. Napoleon tonight. I'm back again. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh my goodness.
Do we get to the ice cream? And you'll love it. Ice cream is anything more delectable than ice cream. Why, even the most respectable eat ice cream. It's wonderful on a summer's afternoon in June. Ice cream, the recipe's something serious, but ice cream makes everyone so delirious that ice cream is certainly worth the trouble that it takes. What does it take, Diana? It takes a tin pail. You pack it with some ice, rock, salt, sprinkle it on twice. A big spoon to see if it tastes nice. You got me a quiver, I'm starting to shiver. Ice cream, the mixing is most enjoyable of ice cream, and no one is unemployable in our scheme. You've got to keep on the double till it's set. You bet. Chill, mix, cover it up tight. Turn, crank, can't you do it right? Well, you help. This is no time to fight. Keep on with the turning until you be turning out ice cream. Is endless growth for tastiness, but ice cream can never be made with hastiness, or ice cream is wonderful on a summer's afternoon. Into ice cream. Ice cream.
There you have it. That is a song from the Anne of Green Gables. Ice cream used to be my favorite dessert, but over the years, since I moved out here, my favorite ice cream is grape nut, and you just can't get it back home. Sorry. I can only get it back home, back east. This is a Canadian ice cream brand, and their ice creams are quite creamy. Like, I don't know how much I'm enjoying this. Like, it's super creamy. Modified milk, sugar, glucose, coconut oil. Where's the sodium 2%, carb 6%, fat 5%, saturated fat 16%. So that's up there. That is up there. I don't know if I'm crazy over Breyers, but at $2.98 on sale, why not? Let's get up in the Breyers cake. But yeah, I used to like going to a place in my old neighborhood, an Italian ice cream place. They had so many different flavors. I loved cheesecake. I would get like 2 scoops, 2 different scoops. It's all house made, fresh, super tasty. I miss that kind of ice cream. This is just like manufactured crap. Oh my goodness. Now, I'll post a video about camping or anything else. Barely any views. I eat on top of my fridge. Over 100 views. Beyond the fridge, I tell you. Beyond life. I don't know. I think it's a bit artificial tasting. I don't know why I think I just saw, oh, $2.98. Let's get 'em. Do y'all like Neapolitan? What's y'all's favorite ice cream? I miss grape nut so bad. If I had grape nut, I'd probably eat the entire tub. I really would. There's no way in hell I'm going to be able to eat this tub, guys. Ooh, I'm already feeling like sugar overload. 2-second rule. Y'all seem to love this beyond the fridge shit. Getting up in that gig. That gigorama. So creamy. Too creamy. Too creamy. But at least it's made in Canada. Supporting Canadians. Okay. I don't know how much more of this I can take. Oh, it's too rich. Oh. Seemingly liking the vanilla the most. Oh. Yeah. Oh. 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 Listen, my damn mama. Well, thanks for watching, and I'm gonna put this ice cream in the freezer, mama. I sure as hell ain't eating a whole tub of ice cream for no couple extra views that y'all are gonna give me because I eat a whole tub of ice cream. Oh, y'all can see my bed. Don't be looking at my sheets, getting all up in there, huh? Just kidding. Bye.